country. So yeah, it's very exciting now. And so we see on the podium of the last Olympic game, very different continent on the podium. So yeah, it makes the sport so much exciting.
So at the moment we still have Dmitry Kravtsov from the AIN at the top of the leaderboard, the 104.33, 2 seconds. Oh, and there's a tight one again, another tight one for the judges. The judges have to decide whether that paddler got his entire head between the gates, and they will review all the angles before deciding whether that was